back to the channel. My name is Jay Owens. This is part 3 in the Yamaha XSR900 in Chicago series. Today we're riding from downtown Chicago along Lakeshore Drive, heading south and then east for 50 miles to the Indiana Dunes National Park, Porter Beach. This is bound to be a great time. At the end of this adventure, I run into some trouble getting back to the underground parking lot off Michigan Avenue. Stick around and find out what happens. The Yamaha XSR900 I'm riding today is a rental from Eagle Rider. This bike is an 890cc neo-retro motorcycle style. It commands a powerful 117 horsepower with 68.6 pound-feet of torque. It's fuel injected, of course, and comes standard with a 6-speed and quick shifter. It has the slipper clutch, making shifting forgivable. It carries 3.7 gallons and has a wet weight of 425 pounds. It can give you a comfortable 50 miles per gallon and also comes standard with a very good and easy to use cruise control to give your right hand a nice break. My only complaint of the bike, my legs are bent too much, making long trips uncomfortable. But with a few extra mods and additional footrests, that should fix the problem. I'm riding the red and white variant today. They also have a lovely blue color scheme. The bike also comes with a 5-inch full-color TFT, although newer years provide smartphone connectivity. This rental year does not. The top speed, if you dare, limits around 150 miles per hour. I will not be demonstrating that capability today because I follow the laws of the land. Yamaha does have 2 other versions of the XSR900, such as the Aberoth 2017 limited edition and the GP, only sold in Europe. Welcome to Indiana Dunes National Park here in the state of Indiana at Porter Beach. After paying a $15 entrance fee, or if you have the National Park yearly pass for free, you'll enjoy a peaceful and less crowded beach area with sloping sand dunes up to the tree line and small pebbles along the shore's edge. The dunes have 15 miles of shoreline and 9 designated beaches to enjoy with 50 miles of trails. One of the most popular is the 3 Dune Challenge, a 1.5 mile loop that takes you to the top of 3 different dune peaks overlooking the lake. This popular destination was upgraded to National Park in 2019, making it one of the newest parks. Today I'll be enjoying the beach for a short time until needing to return to the city before nightfall. Welcome to Indiana Dunes State Park, just off of Lake Michigan. Actually very similar to Oregon Dunes, just acres and acres of sand everywhere. It's quite remarkable, and off in the distance I can barely see the silhouettes out there of Chicago. And the sun is heading down, so I gotta start getting back. Upon arriving back in Chicago, I forgot that the previous 3 nights had already been a celebration of the Mexican independence, with banners, flags, bumper-to-bumper traffic, and the streets within the loop completely shut down. This would prove to be a significant challenge as I tried to work my way back to Michigan Avenue to park my bike in the underground garage in the front of my hotel. The police decided they weren't going to have the intense traffic any longer along Michigan Avenue and several other streets, so they shut everything down and funneled the celebration out of town. It took me an hour to travel 2 miles. After a lot of begging and explaining to the police checkpoints, I was able to slip through on an empty road to finally call it a night. This would be my most intense motorcycle riding at night on the Chicago highways and streets. I'm just going to the underground parking right there, the Grant South.
Yeah, go ahead. Just creep up. Go ahead. We'll go through right there.
Just going underground right there, that Grant South parking. What is it? The Grant South parking. I'm just going underground right there. The ramp's right there. I'm grateful I made it through this experience alive. I hope you enjoyed this incredible season in Chicago on the Yamaha XSR900. This bike was a ton of fun to ride, and I definitely recommend it to any experienced riders. Be safe out there. This is Jay Owens from Owens Up to Moto, where we're Owens up to more. Till next time. Whew.
Yo quiero vivir creyendo de Dios que casi no la que haces, por eso no faltan los pesos. Nunca dejo las cosas a medias, yo las termino, las empiezo.